All right, this next one is a buyer beware. We have some counterfeit AirPods 3 that show up in video here, and the product doesn't even exist yet. So you should tell Sonny Dixon to grab these real quick. This popped up on social media, I believe. The user, Duan Rui on Twitter. This was a video originally posted on TikTok showing off AirPods 3 or counterfeit AirPods 3. And look, they got that new design going on. It's crazy. Now you wonder, is this the real thing? Oh, by the way, I'm having China memories right now, seeing that Lazy Susan in the middle there. Hey, look at the restaurant, man.
It's just peeking out.
Yeah, look at a watermelon. You just spin it around. You take your, Oh, does he have a plate of food right there? Oh, he does. He got a plate of food. We just...
You don't want to drop it in there.
Jeez, it's very close to a plate of food right there. Anyway, are these counterfeits made based on the leaked schematics drawings, or does this company have access to the actual unit or at least one model of it, and they've been able to replicate it? I don't know. I would be very curious to check this out, but I guess it's beware in the meantime, because in the past, when it comes to these counterfeit products, they tend to not be very good. And so if you pay, even if you pay $50 to $100 for them, they might be trash. Mm-hmm. You just don't know. You don't have the track record there. But this is the rumored design change for the next AirPods, to have a more in-ear type of fit, somewhere between the current AirPods and the Pro, and to have a shorter stem and a smaller case. So that might be the closest physical manifestation of the thing that we've seen, even though it's a counterfeit.